Hello everyone, welcome back to Aerohub and welcome to the series of lectures in aircraft structural design. And in the previous lecture, we discussed about the components of wing and its function, and also we discussed in the last lecture how the load is getting transferred in the different elements of the wing. In this lecture, we will discuss and we will learn, and I will introduce certain equation to estimate the weight of the wing. Okay, and you are aware that the estimation of weight is the most important phase of a aircraft design, and the first thing you have to do while designing an aircraft is the estimation of maximum takeoff weight. Okay, and in this step we will discuss how will you estimate the weight of different types of wing used in different aircraft, especially in general aviation airplane, which are airplane which is having unscheduled flight, then commercial transport airplane that is operated by certain airliners, then military patrol or bombers, then fighter aircraft. Okay, and we have different methods to estimate the weight of the wing. The first one is Cessna method. Cessna, you are aware, this is one of the aircraft manufacturer, and US Air Force method. Last one is Toranjik method. Okay, then last method, Toranjik is an author of a famous airplane design book, and it is available in internet. Okay, you can just refer that book also. First we will discuss about the estimation of weight for general aviation airplane. Okay, and this is the equation used to estimate the weight of wing of the general aviation airplane. Okay, that is 0. This is the equation 0.04674 into WTO is nothing but the maximum takeoff weight, power 0.937 into S is nothing but the wing area, power 0.360 into N ultimate, that is nothing but the design ultimate load factor, and A is nothing but the aspect ratio, power 1.712. This is the equation to estimate the weight of the wing of general aviation airplane. Okay, and this I have discussed what is WTO takeoff weight, N ultimate load factor, aspect ratio. The ultimate load factor we can get from the VN diagram, and also we have a general trend for load factors for different types of aircraft. Okay, and this also is readily available in different airplane design textbooks. Okay, next one we will discuss about the estimation of wing weight for commercial transport airplane and military patrol or bombers. Okay, we are using the same equation for the estimation of wing weight, and this is the equation. It's a very big equation. Wing weight is equal to 0.00428 into the wing area, power 0.48 into the aspect ratio, and we have a term called MH, that is nothing but the maximum Mach number at the sea level, power 0.43 into takeoff weight into ultimate load factor, power 0.84 into lambda. Lambda is nothing but the taper ratio, power 0.14 divided by 100 into thickness to chord ratio, power 0.76 into cos of lambda 1 by 2 power 1.54, where lambda 1 by 2 is nothing but the wing semi chord sweep angle. Okay, these things are readily available in the design handbook. And next one we'll discuss about the design or estimation of wing weight for fighter aircraft. Okay, this is the equation we are using, and you can just note down all this equation, or you can just take a screenshot of this equation. Okay, so most of the parameters you are aware, WTO, and I think you are not aware about this term KW and lambda LE. KW is a factor, that is a constant. It is 1 for a fixed wing and 1.175 for variable sweep wing. Okay, and most of the other terms you are available. A lambda, S is the wing area, KW is 1 for fixed wing, 1.175 for variable sweep wing. Okay, so this is about this lecture. We will continue in next lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.